I usually try and stay away from real world investing in these videos because it's definitely out of my expertise, but when you have every single market absolutely collapsing, the US in a recession, and me literally afraid to check my crypto portfolio and normal investing account because everything is so bad, something's got to be said, especially since my CS inventory has gone up in value since this whole mess started. And I'm sure everyone else's has in these past few months as well. So I bet all of those people laughing at you for owning thousands in virtual pixels aren't laughing that hard now. But either way, today let's talk about it and why now should theoretically be a good time for CS investors, just based on how bad the real world markets are doing. But just before we get into that, let's start on a positive note, which is how to get a free $5 trading with the sponsor SkinsMonkey. SkinsMonkey is a great way to get the actual value for your skin and not lose a lot of money while trading for skins that look great. You can easily trade out the junk you have sitting around for good investment items that can earn you money over time, or trade for a knife that's been doing incredibly well price-wise long-term, not hard to find at all. And once again, free $5 bonus on your first trade when you sign up. But for now, let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, are the CS market and the real market / crypto, I'm going to kind of lump those two into the same thing, but are they connected? And I'm going to go with maybe very slightly. You can argue that crypto is connected to CS and all the high tiers, and people will spend more money there when crypto is up, but I wouldn't say it's a firm 100% true you can connect them ... perfect statement. It is just my observation. When the market is doing well in crypto, people could definitely spend more money on CS skins, but it could also be connected to a million different things. But very clearly, when the crypto market is down like 60% or whatever it's down at this point, the CS market isn't really affected at all, and all high tiers have been completely stable and flat in price, maybe a tiny bit down, obviously nowhere near 60%, but for months upon months, if not like a year at this point. And the case market and knives, cheaper stuff like that has done really well, and it should continue to. The way I look at it, you got to imagine that when all the real world markets are down such an insane amount, people aren't really going to be selling their CS skins for crypto, real money, or whatever to invest in real markets because the real markets just aren't performing, and the CS skins have proven to be a safe place to put your money during this time. And even if we ignore the fact that there's a major coming, which should lead to more players in the market doing even better than it's doing now, and just say that, let's say that things stay completely the same and just stay flat in price, and I'm sure people will be completely fine putting their money in skins still and keeping them there until we see some sort of turnaround in the economy. It just feels like players will be way more willing to move money into crypto when it's doing well and everyone has the up-only mindset there. But when we're in a recession and literally everything is crashing but the CS markets, I think we should be fine. The thing about the CS market is I'd say for like 99% of people, they aren't really going to be buying skins as a real investment that they monitor closely. Think, I'm going to sell at X price and all that, and it's just part of their normal portfolio, like 25% real estate, 50% stocks, 25% CSGO skins. Like, that is not what people are doing. CS clearly isn't a market in that aspect, and I think it's why it doesn't really correlate with any others in times like this. Now, with that being said, I think things have a decent possibility to turn around in CS when all the real markets turn around, and presumably people are going to have more money that they're willing to spend on less important things like CS skins. Because a metric that I actually looked at is Rolex prices. Obviously, a Rolex isn't exactly, well, it's an investment, you can make money with it, but it's not like people are necessarily going to be buying a Rolex over real stocks. They're just easier, and Rolex prices have gone down a lot during this time as well. I'd like to think of CS skins in kind of a similar way. A Rolex isn't something you need, CS skins aren't something you need, but it's a nice thing to own. When you've got a lot of money, you could be more loose with it, and then more people are buying Rolexes when crypto's up, when the entire stock market's up. Maybe more people will be buying CS skins when all of those are up as well. That's just my thoughts and based on everything that I've seen. Because I mean, you got to imagine people that spend thousands upon thousands on high tier CS items are also in those other markets and just kind of want to wait things out for now. That's what I'm doing, at least. I'm in stocks, I'm in crypto, and I'm definitely keeping all my money that I earn in cash right now because there's no clear sign of a bottom in the real world markets. But when there is, I'm going to be less worried to spend money over there and probably buy some CS skins as well, just have a safe place for my money to make sure things don't keep collapsing in the real world economy. So overall, even though we can't necessarily connect the real world economy, crypto, and all that to the CS market, I think basically just fundamentally what I'm looking at with like Rolexes and stuff like that increasing in price when the real world economy does well. The CS market had an incredible spike last summer and the economy was doing well then. Bitcoin was doing really well then, all of crypto was. Now things have just completely collapsed and the CS market has completely slowed down. I think it's safe to say that there is a possibility that when things turn around in the real market, that we could see CS skins start to go up in price as well. But at the end of the day, that is really just my thoughts. This is very predicting the future, but we also don't know when the real world economy is going to turn around. It could be many, many months still. So we really just got to wait and see. But I think the CS market definitely has big potential, and I'm keeping all of my CS skins for now because of how poorly the market is doing, and hopefully everybody else will be, and then more people buy in. Once they got more money, prices go up. That's the way I'm looking at it. So with that being said, definitely let me know what you guys think. In a time like this where the entire market is down, putting money into CS might be the move, since everyone is probably being a little more tight with their money, but only time will tell. So as always, if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.